Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams. Gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line. Charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts guide us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every.
Good morning, December 5th, 2024. Good morning, December 5th, 2020. Yep, that was me. Good morning. All right, what do I got? Anybody? Yep, a couple people. All right. Here's the hour chart. I threw in some 15-minute. I'll go there in a minute. But see, it'd look so much cleaner if I could get rid of these without deleting them. But it is what it is. Ninja. There's some limitations. All right. I threw in this blue line across here. We tried to get above it earlier. Couldn't do it. Rejected down. I think we'd come up here. Bear zone up here at 21,583. Seems like a logical place. And here you got the midnight open roughly at 21,511 or so. I'll redo these when time is appropriate. We have, see, I can't even see some things here. Let me just get rid of that. We have a pretty big CPR, so could be a little choppy, but really that really hasn't meant anything lately. 60 points. So we do have some support there at 21,486.75. That's top control. We have this 15-minute little area here at 21,494 and 21,488. Morning, Michael. Good morning, Koper. We have today's pivot at 21,457. Yeah, I got to learn not to play pre-market. I don't know why I play pre-market, especially, you know, 8:45 and on. I just get chopped every time. All right. You have a 4-hour buy gap here at about 21,456 to 21,463. That could be a little area of support also. Yeah, not much to say. We're at all-time highs. We can just keep on going, I guess. You know, there's no resistance up. Just a matter of people are buying. Uh, 15-minute. Here's that control copy. I really don't like that. It's a little too big of an area for me. So I think we'll just put it right there. That's a little better. Yeah, so you got some supports down here. Yeah, I'm not really looking to the downside per se, even though we're only up 8 points, but you never can tell. We could reject off here. And then I would just use each one of these to sell, to use as a sell point and or get rid of targets if I have them. On the 15-minute, I did put the Camarillo pivot so you can kind of see how they line up. So here's R3 at the bottom of the bear zone. S4 or S3 is at the top of the bull zone. There's a bull zone right here. So just to kind of see the lineup. I don't really have much to say. I mean, the market's doing what it's doing. We're at all-time highs, so now it's just a matter of do we come down or do we continue to go up? You got to get people to buy. There's got to be a reason for them to buy. So I don't know what that reason is right now, other than just to buy and Bitcoin's going up. Bitcoin breached 102 last I saw it. The 5 minutes still choppy. This is what got me this morning. Just this right here, this candle, probably the 845 candle, the 830 candle. No, it was 840, and that one just took me out. Yeah, so it's kind of tough right now. I mean, we're at the highs. Let's see what happens. I'll just play the charts. We'll get onto the 2 minute. I did like this move this morning. You got this crap. I got caught up in that too. So, yeah, I mean, not much to say. It's just kind of sloppy, choppy. I'll be conservative until I can see, the trades that are pretty glaring. I think that's the best way to play it. Try for your best odds. This is a 17 EMA. This guy here. It's not bad. See the way we're grinding up? Look at that, baby. Holding support. I don't know. I'm just letting it play out a little bit. I just want to see it for a couple days and see if I can use it. Or does the 21 play better? The 20, 23, whatever it is. Yep, I'll be playing the opening range again this morning. I'm going to play, well, on my PAs I'm playing a 1020, and my evals I'm playing a 1050. See if I can get a move. Other than that, look at that, 5 minutes. This is not much to say. The news this morning, my little news indicator thing, I don't know what's going on with it. Just didn't give me anything. Oh, there we go. All right, so it tells me tomorrow's data, non-farm payrolls. Maybe we wait for that today. I don't know. This is ES, 2-hour chart. You can see, one could do something like this. Right, and if we breach that, then could see a move down to somewhere in here. 688. Which is not much, 10 points. People who play ES, it's a lifetime. Good morning, Jason. Welcome. Morning, guys. What else? I don't know. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's kind of a... I don't know what we're doing now. I mean, when I see crap like this, it just... Right? I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know how to play that. So, you know, especially if this gets above 31 or even 31.50, yeah, I don't know how to play that. I can't play that. Goes against all my rules. You know, maybe that was just a good place to enter your short right there. Right, so 525, 526, okay. You know, in the 5 minute. And you can see how nasty it is this morning. Just, you know, save some money. Save your money. And maybe just, you know, be a little tighter. See, like we're going above. I can't play that. And maybe that's what they're counting on, right? I mean, their job is to take your money from you, and I think they're doing a pretty good job. You know, one could argue... Ooh. Right, it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't know where they're going to go with it. But that's why I'm going to play... I don't know what I'm going to play this morning. I'm going to be a little conservative. It's just not a day to go with big numbers, I guess. You know, if I see a breakout above this, this is the hour line. If we get a breakout above that, okay, then there's a good play from 538 up to 583. So almost 50 points, not quite. You know, when I look at here, I see wicks, 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 wicks. A lot of wicks to the downside. Probably not as many on the upside. Up here you did. And then you got to push down. Now I'm getting wicks again. We'll see. All right, got a minute left. I don't know if I'm going to be fast enough. So tonight I'm going to set my little opening range trade, prior 2-minute opening range, to take the trades for me. So because they could be faster than I can when that candle closes, it'll stick a limit order 3 points above, 3 points below. That's my thinking right now. So all right, I'm going to take off my PA from that account. We'll see what happens. Good luck. Let's see how we play today. I think that was open, wasn't it? Nope. 5 seconds. All right, there we go. We'll try it that way then. Oh, I'm on a 1 minute, not a 2 minute. My mistake. That really makes a difference. This might get taken out too. Let me get out of this. Well, that sucked. Here's my actual place I would like to be. And see what happens. Ah. So 29 down to 19. Should have got 10. But I didn't quite get it. Again, that's where the automation comes in. It'll be able to take those trades at more of a distinct place where they're supposed to be. Because that should have been 36, 39. Yeah, could have been another 10 points on the upside. All right, I'm going to blow this account. All right, now I'm going to wait for a flag of some kind. I blew that one account. That account's done. My goal was not to blow any of those either. But that's the way it goes sometimes. This is a pretty high risk trade, as we know. Right, you're playing a 2-minute candle. But it really would have worked if this was set up correctly. 28 down to 19. That would have been, well, if I take that at 29, 6 points below, or 3 points below, would be 26. All right, it would have missed on that one. And then 36.50, 39.50. That one would have won, or would have made it, but just 10 points. You would have lost. I would have lost 20 and gained 10. So maybe not exactly worth the play today. And there's going to be days like that. So, I mean, I'm playing a little play, and it's going to win some days, going to lose some days. It had a pretty good run there. People say, oh, that doesn't work. Oh, yeah, actually it does work. Just didn't work today. If you go back and look at the last maybe 10 days, I think it worked like 6 or 7 out of the 10. All right, just waiting. Just got my coffee. Okay, ES is looking pretty good. It's up at 6,099. Trying to break that 6,100 again. Actually, it did momentarily. Let me look over at let's look over at NVIDIA. It's making a little move up on the 15-minute. Probably pretty good why we moved up. All right, the highs, yesterday's highs was 548. We peaked above it and doing a little rejection so far. There's a lot of people that will play that and play that reject. What do you get? So 48. They get their 10 points and call it good. I really don't like all-time highs. So here's a play you could play as a 5-minute. Let's look at 1-minute opening range scenarios. Okay, we're on. All right, so opening range 1 is 555. We are now coming down to the middle section there, 50%. You really kind of don't want to do anything in this area. Unless you're confident we're going down or going up. This is that hour candle. We did a little peekaboo above. So far we haven't got any traction. Let's look at a 15-minute real quick. And we got about 6 minutes left. We've got a little resistor so far. These are the Camarillo pivots. I don't know how long they'll be there. Just playing right now. Okay, 44 seconds on the 5-minute. Hit the bottom of the 1-minute opening range, using it as support. I'm a little bummed that I lost that fucking account, that evaluation. My goal is just to play them like a regular account, but I took a lot of risk with it. All right, we're staying in the 1-minute opening range. I'm going to wait. Have not played my PA since this morning yet. Okay. Just hanging out. You could do something like this. Depends on how aggressive you want to be. There's just not much there on the 2 minute. We got VWAP right there at 520, so I'm going to wait to see if we can get a 1 minute close below VWAP. Probably a pretty good chance we're going to hit it, yep. Before I could even get the words out. Would I take it short from here? Yeah. I mean, target 1 is 506. It's not bad. Right? Get 10, 14, 15 points. If we break down, coming back up to the 1 minute, holding. So the long and the short of it, short down here, probably long above here. Possible. All right, already got the 15 minute. See if we get above here. above 539.50. I know we just kind of clipped it. I'd rather see a little stronger move than that. I almost debated what's going to take it up here, but let's see what it does now. Oh. Come on, let's go. Speedy up. Great. Oh, so much for that. Jason in 530, move up to 575. Yep, I hope it gets up there. Kind of really thought we were going to kick it on up from here. Back inside the 1 minute opening range, so I'll sit on my hands again. Coming down to the 15-minute opening range low and just took it out. Wow, that was quick. There's the short. Midnight open. Came down and hit it. And took me out. We also hit Came down pretty close to target 1. We'll probably come down and hit it, I would think. What is that? 516. 516. I like that. Tried to get in, couldn't get in. Wow. All right, doesn't look like they want to go down. Let's go. See if we can get down there to 95. Three minutes left on the 5 minute. Let's see what the 15 looks like real quick. Okay, 8 minutes left on that guy. We're testing a 15-minute opening range low. Okay. We came up and closed out the 5-minute gap at 520. Looks like they just missed me on that guy. Hence why I put my stop there. Okay, we're back to the midnight opening. See if we can drop that and drop target 1. Nope. Damn it. Yeah. Target 1 might be a little difficult to get by. But let's see. Target 1 in midnight open. It's a tough one. Always is. And we're kind of sandwiched right in between them. And then we got VWAP right there also, 22. All right, so what do we have here? We have like a little flag, right? Okay, I'll add one there. Bring this one down farther. Come on. Just no follow through. We should have busted through that and just kept on going. Oops. Gosh damn it. Come on. Maybe even do something like that, right? I mean, come on. Okay, 5-minute gap is closed. There's some 1-minute sell gaps above us, and maybe they won't leave until those are filled. Something like that. All right, trying to get past the 1-minute opening range again. Can we do it? Come on, give me 501.50. Come on. All right, there we go. Yeah, I can't get anything going. Okay, so we busted down through there. We had our little flag right here, a little stutter step. Let's see if we can get another one. ES is just kind of hanging out at 6,097, so not doing much. So ES is not coming down. 6,097. NVIDIA. All right, it's reversing its course. Shit. Come on now. All right, so we got another little flag going. Let's see if hopefully it won't take me out. I asked for one. Might give me one here. All right, took me out. We got 30 seconds left on the 5. I actually don't mind this setup right here. It's got a nice little angle. I just don't want to go up too high here. So it came back and retested that breakdown area. I'm okay with that. All looking good. I might even do a, let's do a 10 and 20 here. I'll set up with. Okay, we came down and we were in a, what size gap is that? Or what is that? Imbalance. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a big area. Okay, we got a 1 minute gap up here. All these are closed. Let's see what happens here. New 5 minute. Yeah, I don't like that 5 minute. This 5 minute gets a little bullish there. Could have been just taking out some stops. Right, 16 up to 18. It's not too bad. But we're getting a little old here on this flag, so see how it plays out. If we would have came up a little bit higher and rejected here, I'd be a little happier. I can stick over to the 2 minute here. Oh, come on. The fuck. But let's see what happens. Okay, we came out, took out this guy. Oh, and we took out this guy, maybe more importantly. Okay, see if we get a rejection up here. $5.20. I don't know, looking a little strong there. Okay, we came up, peekabooed above the 1 minute weighted. Let's see how that plays out. We've got 2 minutes to play around here. If we get like a couple $100 on that, I'll take one off to get 100 or something. So let's see, a minute 19. So what if we go down to 14? If it gets down there, I'll take that one off just to reduce some risk, and then bring this guy down for target 2. In other words, I'm not real comfortable on the trade just because the 5 minute looks pretty strong. If I look at the 5 minute, that's a pretty good sized candle, nice reversal here. But it is what it is. We came up rejected off the top here, which probably would have been a better entry at 26. It looks like I'm going to get taken out. Yep. And there we go. So I think we can go long now. And then I would target the highs. Oh, come on now, don't fool me. 29 seconds on the 5 minute. It'd be great to stay above this 1 minute weighted moving average, but we're not going to. Oh, I said this morning was ugly. It's continuing to be ugly. He just took me out on the top side. Oh, come on now. Come on, baby, let's go. Okay, 511, it's a good pullback. I don't want to see much higher than that. All right, I'm just going to sit on my hands for a while. No more trades. Yeah, some days just so frustrating. I mean, I like the move down and then the move up. 70.2 was perfect. Right? They're just playing micro. They're just playing small. Then you come down, you hit the 78.6 and you bounce up. Now, if this doesn't go, doesn't make it, then c'est la vie. Not too much damage. 500 out on the PA, and that's it. So I can come back from that. It's hard to come back from 1,000 to 2,000. Yeah, Jason's still looking for it. I agree. Maybe we get something here. I don't know. So 5 minute, there's no gap to fill. 1 minute, you got a big gap down here. Let me get rid of some of this crap. I mean, look at that shit. It's going to take me out. So this is $38.2. Guess I can remove that. I can remove this. Back inside the 1 minute opening range. It's brutal for me. Delta is minus 1900. We're right in the middle of the 1 minute. Oh, we're right below it. We're still above the midnight open, which if I look there, looks like we spent like 50%, well, actually more time below it than above it, but now I'd say it's almost 50-50, right? It's a choppy. So I'll do something like this. Just to give me more room, I'm almost willing to do that. And then I'll do something like that. Just ugly. Well, my bot took a short at 5:30. I don't know. I don't really care for his shorts, but he does have tight stops, so I do like that. Good entry. Right here in this candle. I don't think these guys are playing. Oh, shit. IWM's looking pretty ugly. Oh. Again, we're just hanging out here in the 1 minute opening range, so there's not much to do. All right, we got a break above. I don't really like the break above, but it's there. It's legitimate. You could do something like this and say, well, here's my stop is right there. So my stop on this candle would have to be 23, which would be about a 7-pointer. You can give it a shot. It'll be right at 22. See if I can get 10. That blue line might be the high though. Top of that little trend line. If we can break above that, might be able to get something going. I put this right there. And there you go. Flip it. Flip it. Yep, some ugly numbers, boy. Ugly fugly. All right, that 530 short looking pretty good. On a 5-minute, I guess I could take the short below 517. 15-minute, I just don't like it. Got 8 minutes left. Let me get rid of that shit. There's the short, potential short on the 5-minute. I would take that right there if they gave it to me. We got a 1-minute fill gap up at 523. There's nothing on the 5-minute. Let's see if I can get down to my target of 495. All right, ES is coming back a little bit now, looks like. Well, not much, 6,096. Okay, I'm just going to go above VWAP. Midnight open, 510. Got to watch the bounce there. Yeah, I still like it being above VWAP. Alright, so where could we go? Well, I guess we could go down here at 489. So I could just take him down there. It's a very small little support, so my guess is we would probably bounce on top control at 86 versus that little doohickey. So why don't I put him right there? Kind of too late for me to drop in now on my PA. Looks good. I would rather wait for a sell up at 517. If I do 518 minus 5, so 515. That's where I'm going to put a buy. So we came down, peekabooed above, got everybody to go long, and then dropped the hook on them so far. So I got a buy stop at 515. I really would like to get 517, but I don't think we will. I think 515 is probably pushing it. So where am I at? 517. Let's do a sell right there. See if we can get it. It's about 3 points below the 5-minute gap fill. You don't get it. 14.5. Come on, a little bit higher. Well, 14.5 and 17 3/4. That's pretty close. That might be as close as we're going to get right there. Yep. So we got 3 minutes left on the 5. Could still do it, but it's getting less likely. 2 minutes, 55 seconds. Oh, a little push up. You can do it. Oh, did I put the wrong one in there? Yep. Sure did. All right. So we closed the 5-minute gap. I think I got the right sell in there this time instead of a buy. Yep, non-farm payrolls tomorrow. I'm looking for a quick 10 points. So from 517.50, I would like to get to 507, but this baby's holding pretty strong. So it makes me want to keep dropping my stop down. And say, go ahead and take me, I'll lose 40 versus losing 200 if we keep going up. All right, got a minute left. There you go. Cockfucker. See, on those gap fills, you can really reduce your loss. Like that was a 2-pointer, right? So it's not a bad play as far as for an entry goes. So if I go over to the 5-minute, this is what I was aiming for. Right there. And I just had my stop just a little bit above that. And didn't get it. That's the way it goes. Now if we drop right here, oh, you know, it just kind of tells you what the day has been like. All right, there's IB. And we're back above VWAP. Pluto Trade says, don't trade today. We have non-farm payrolls tomorrow. Yeah, that's a good point. And this has just been some shitty price action. We are in a 53-point winner. Chicken dinner. SMA. I'm just going to delete that because I never use it. All right, maybe that's some good advice. We are now at 6,093 on ES. Well, yeah, I know. And down 600 on my PA, so I can probably say that's good enough. Lost one eval, which my goal was not to lose any of those suckers. My 530 short is still holding strong on my simulated little flag playing system. He's down for the day so far. Little fake up, little fake down, and I don't know what this one's going to be. I gotta find if got a guy, I think a couple weeks ago we did a giveaway, a mug and a sweatshirt. The sweatshirt guy, I guess, didn't want it. So I may have to open up one of those again. But the mug, I want to see if he got it. I don't know if he got it or not. And then I figured out how to do drawings also. So when I do my next giveaway, you just got to sign in with your, into Streamlabs, you just have to sign in with your YouTube. And then it validates your name, and then it'll open up the shipping information. So put in your shipping, because I got to pay for the item before I do a giveaway. The guy who won the mug, I had to go do a different way, and I didn't like doing it that way. So next time I'm going to have to say, you guys got to be comfortable with logging into Streamlabs. I don't get to see any of that data, right? All that information is done with Streamlabs. It's all legitimate. But you just got to, you know, it's pretty simple. Just log in. You log in with your YouTube. It's not a big deal. I did take some IWM puts. I didn't call them out because they're not my trades. I got in way late. Tried to get in at 30, kept missing. Ended up getting in at 40. And I put a sell in at 60. And they took it. They're at 69 by 70 or 70 by 71 now. The 239 puts. I should have reloaded when it came down to 20. I should have reloaded. Or added, I should say. Because IWM's still tanking. It was a good play. It was a good call out. All right, Pluto Trades. Good call out. I don't know if you're still here. It's called self-control, right? Which I usually don't have. All right, so I'm just looking for a setup. I'm still going to look for a setup because I still like to play my plays. They're still legitimate. It's just that they're, man, it's tough. You can see this is just garbage. As somebody once told me, garbage in is garbage out. Sam the man. You could play the bodies too on this. I might even do something like that. There's the breakout. Back above VWAP. I'll tell you what. I'll play some minis or micros. Hold on a minute. Let me. Let me set that up. Okay. Okay. We'll let this one play out here. Actually, what I'll do is I'll just put that, there you go. Now I'm out. Hold on a second. I also like to let people know right? I don't want to, you know, act like I'm deceiving anybody or anything like that. I want this. Let's see. Font. There you go. And instead of saying that, I'll just say playing micros. Not high-end. There we go. All right, good thing I stopped out of that one anyway. All right, that's going to work. Uh-oh, what happened to my text? Oh, that was on a different chart. Huh? There we go. Copy. Let's see if I can put it on this one. There we go. And then I'll just delete it when I change that. And you can always watch this guy here. You can see this one. It'll just be smaller numbers. And I'll still play the way I play. 1, 2 contracts. I don't like to change anything. I like to just say, well, this is the way I would play anyway. So this is the way I'm going to play. Whether you're playing micros or minis, doesn't matter. And then I didn't put it on this chart. There we go. And you can see right there, I'm at, you know, down $3, down $1, whatever. Okay, I have, let me see, where's my eval? My 8:30 minutes, that's what I want. So if I was playing this is actually the way I would play it. There we go. What I would be looking, we just hit the top control on ES. So the top of this CPR is at 6,091.25. We just hit it and doing a little bouncy. My little thing says 3 down, 2 up. So it's actually saying right now, don't be in a trade. And we can see why, because I would lose another 300 or something here. All right, we got 1 minute, 20 seconds left on this 5 minute, and would like to see it go red here. We didn't exceed the top. So 15. All right, it just took me out. So you can see this from this low here, we came down, took it out, and I thought that would be the bounce up, but really just haven't gotten anywhere. $39.22. Where's that at? Right there. Bull's last stand. You guys got anything? Seems like I need to go lick my wounds. I mean, I don't think we have any news. We have nothing. I don't know what else is on the calendar. The 239 puts on IWM. Bull's last stand is 239.20. Nice move on IWM, but I don't know how much further it can come down. Maybe to 238.09, so you could get a buck move. The 239s right now are 54 by 56. This week sucks. Got a headache. Yeah, have not traded PA accounts. Well, good for you, Kofber. Good for you. I mean, it's a veteran play, guy. And I knew better too this morning. I saw this and said, man, this is looking nasty. This is not looking too good. Top sub account is down 2K this week. Oh, it was $114 away from passing it this Monday. Oh. Okay. Thanks, Gary. Yeah, I mean, I would think, you know, Bull's last stand there at 239.20 could hold it. Even if we get up that high. I don't even know if we get up that high. But a target down there at the bottom at 238.09 might be a place to go. All right, so I'll play this guy here. Again, I'm playing on micros, right? So, and it's on an evaluation count. So, I mean, it's about ready to get tagged, bagged and tagged, so to speak. You know, down 1,700. It's not much more for this world. I'll just play this, see how it plays out. It'll probably work because I'm playing micros. Or should I not play micros and just fucking play a YOLO? YOLO! A lot of times what I like to do is maybe bring that up just a tad like that. Just so I can get a little bit of space on the IB. And then I'll try to go to break even as soon as it passes IB. Because usually either IB works or doesn't. No, I told you it was probably going to work today. We'll see. Well, maybe not. Maybe that's all you get. And that's why I like to take it a little bit early. All right, let's try one more time. It's trying. Usually I like to take one off, so I'm a little bummed that I didn't get it out there quick enough. Probably going to get taken out here. Yep. One more time. It's a fun trade. There you go. What do we do? Come down to the bottom there of that support area, and it's trying to hold it. Probably going to. Got some big gaps that come back on. Right there. Well, this one's still forming. Oh, how about if I get rid of that one? Maybe line it up with this one. That actually lines up. Oops, no it doesn't. There's one. Actually not too bad. Let's see, 95, 503. Probably like to be at least up to there. Oh! There you go. Bam. All right, Bull's last stand did not hold. Maybe bullish reversal zone. Maybe we come back up and retest the bottom of the bull zone on IWM, which is 239.54. Okay, so 5-minute gap. Let's see if we can get a close on the 5-minute gap here. Yeah, we got pretty close. It's right at 510. Oh no, we don't like that trade. Ugh. Nope, didn't like that trade. Only had 6 seconds left on the 5-minute. So you got a nice little reversal, potential reversal candle in the 5-minute. A breakout above 511 would be probably pretty bullish. Let's see how bullish it's going to be. Didn't quite break out above that. That was a little preemptive, little buy there. I did like the way it held up this bottom support zone. I mean, our little initial balance today is, what is it? 53 points. It's not very big at all. I'll bring these guys down to reality. I don't even know if you're going to get up that high. Even if you could take it. All right, here comes IWM down. What is that, a 5-minute? Let me get rid of some stuff here. Here we go. All right, so 2-minute chart. Came down to the 61.8, bounced up. IWM's pushing back up, it looks like. See how that plays out. ES is just hanging out, 93.50. So monthly expiration, Gary, at what? 608 puts, so we're talking SPY. All right, 15-minute. It actually just came up, closed its gap. I'm not sure what that means. Okay, it's a brand new 15-minute. I wouldn't mind this thing coming down and retesting this support area. Maybe coming down and hitting top control here at 486.75. Right, this could have been a nice little short area right there at 510. My bot's still short at 21,530. That was a good short. He's going to time out on candles, I think, pretty soon here. It's the beauty about bots. They don't have any feelings or anything. They just, it is what it is. I'm playing that on a sim still. I got a couple weeks of trading, practicing, watching them. Sometimes if I go quiet, that's what I'm doing, is I'm looking to see what he did, when he entered, why is he still in the trade. So we're currently outside trading hours. So here's a little Ninja script output for that bot. So it's saying, hey, we're outside of trading hours, but the strategy has made 59 points, and do onces are false. This is him in the trade. Boom, boom. He entered in over here, and just watching him. I don't need the opening range in here. Okay, 5 minutes left on the 15. Just some ugly trading. See some. Oh, there you go. Top step, payout rule change. Can only request a maximum of 5K for each account if your account is funded after the 6th. These guys are all trying to figure shit out, I think. There's a little positive move up. Got a few buyers. Negative 28.50, but just aren't going anywhere. We're just not doing anything. Got an ATR in the 1 minute of 7 points. Well, if we follow this, maybe we do something like, maybe split the difference like that. I'd like to get that guy in there if we could. Yep, cats are funny creatures, aren't they? I know mine was pounding at the door here a few minutes ago. Oh, what a shitty day. 3 days in a row now. I haven't been that good. Okay, IWM came up and hit the bottom of the bull zone. Let's see how it reacts there. So the top step policy update, request up to 50% of your account balance, up to a maximum of $5,000 per account request, per account. So if you have 5 express funded accounts, the max you can do per payout is $25K. Put up 5 winning days and do it again. All right, looks like IWM's pushing up. What am I on? 15, 5 minute, 15. 15's closed its gap. $9.30. Oh yeah, up above the 38.2, looking good. Further along. Yeah, it looks like everyone's just kind of hanging out. What's NVIDIA doing? I haven't looked at that in a while. All right, pushing back up to the top. I'm sure we'll get a move at some point during the day. I just don't know when that's going to be. Let's see. Did we come out? Oh, what do you know, Michael? Damn it. I didn't even see this, but we took out. What did we take out? The London low by just like a couple ticks, and then we bounced up. So this could be your move up here. I'm going to try something here. I don't know how much more this account's got on it, but a 10-pointer would definitely help it. Okay, 516. Hope I need to change my deal here. 501. Where are you at? Oh. Oh. Yep, there's the move up. Okay, so 516.50. 516.50. That's below VWAP. Let's not go there. Let's go right here. Let's see, 518, 515 to 518. Yeah, that's good enough. That should work. All right, nice move up. Let's see if we can come down, fill the gap. At least close to it. Maybe come down to the 15-minute opening range low. I don't know. We may just boomerang up. We took out the London low and bounced. I'll start putting an alert on the London low and the London high to make sure that I hear it when we hit it. That or just put it on the charts, right? I don't think I've seen an indicator like that. I'll have to look. Yep. don't think I'm going to get a gap fill. ES is at 6,096. NQ is, or Nvidia is putting up a high for the day. We finally made it over that hourly high. Well, actually, we got up a little bit early this morning, huh? Oh, we're trying to get above it. This is what I had right there. And the thought is that we push on up to here. 15 opening range high would be a good long. Potentially, that as this one will be also. I'll take it with a really small stop. See if we can get up there. Trying to get above, going to get taken out here. The 1 minute opening range high is 539.25. Right here, this green line right there. That's the one we really need to get above. Pretty steep move up. I still would like to make a, for it to come down there, which would be the 5 minute, roughly. 5 minute gap fills at 515.75 if you had 3 to 4 points. Then I saw that the opening range low was right there, VWAP is right there, 1 minute weighted moving average is right there. So I said, I doubt if it'll come below those, but you never can tell. So, but with this move up, I don't think we're going to come back there. But I'll sit there and wait. I don't know if I would take a short off this one. You could, but might be a good short. And just take it down here. You got a buy gap right here at the top at 526. The bottom at the gap fill. You got 4 out of the 5 indicators moving up. The 15 minute is still down, but that could change here. Oh, another 4 minutes. All right, there's a good short for that person who took it at 37. Oh, yeah. So it came down and hit the top of that 5 minute gap. Haven't been able to penetrate it yet. Okay, so this could be potentially a little stutter step, right? Or a little flag. Right? It's not a bad looking flag. Would have liked to have seen this one to be red, but you don't always get what you want. See if that holds up. 30 seconds on the 5. Going to be a faker. One more time. No, rejected. $5.15, huh? Come on. That's just ugly, man. They are just killing it today. I mean, this was the good move, I guess, the good breakout. But other than that, fuck. Guess you could have taken the VWAP breakout. 519. $516. You got a little, maybe a little better looking flag. To be safe, you know, maybe just play the wicks. Or play nothing at all. Michael's probably killing it right now. Oh. Oh, that's a bummer. Damn it. Is it? Stormy? Let me check out your weather. Oh, and cold. Gusts of 40 miles an hour. Feels like 18 degrees. Going for a run? Temperature feels like 18. Yeah. Oh, man. Somebody took a short up here, too. It was a good call out. That guy got it at 37. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's right. I'm supposed to be looking for the bottom here. So this candle here, the high is 16. So if we get to 19, probably be all right. Here, let me make this color just a little bigger. Let's see if I can do that. There's the outline. Let's make that lawn green, huh? There we go. Maybe you can see that. Because I sure couldn't see it at my angle. Coming down, coming down. Got VWAP, 1 minute weighted. Yeah, that's about it. This line, I don't know why it's there, but I'm sure it was important at one time. Come on down. You got the 15-minute opening range low right there at 19. That's where I wanted to take the long. How much time left? Oh, I don't like this because there's 40 seconds left on this 5 minute. It's not a good thing. All right, there's your move down. It's still going. Got that 5 minute gap fill. That'd probably be close enough. But since we got a new 5 minute, we could just come on down a little further. All right, there's your move. Now we got a gap fill back up to the top. So you might be able to take it if we move back above VWAP. Why does my VWAP look so different than that one? Oh, it doesn't. Same. I mean, the gap fills up at 26, so you can almost get 10 points if you were feeling like we're going to go up. I don't feel that way. I got nothing. We're only down 13 points. What, 13? 19 points. And ES is down 2 points. So it's not like it's a red day. It's just a shitty day. RTY is down 11. That's my YTR, but I don't have one anymore. Huh. My ES bot has not taken a trade today. Probably won't. All right, there's your move up. Close enough, I guess. The bottom of that was 26. We got to, oh, what do you know, 23. Three-pointer. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised, Gary. Let me look at SPY. Is that daily? No. 4 hours. Okay, if you would have taken the long at 16 because of the gap fill, you would have went down to 1375 or 14. So taking a 3-point move against you, move against entry, MAE, as they say. I don't know. We'll find out here in a minute 36 left. What's a 15 minute look like? Oh, 15's looking okay. It closed its gap. See if the 5 minute gives you a doji or something. Let me get this line out of the way. It means nothing. See if we can hold the bottom of that 5 minute gap. $50. I thought about just jumping in real quick. Putting like a 2-point stop or something. I'll do that. What do I got? 21 4-point stop. That's the beauty about these simulated counts. You can get close. Four seconds. And see if we can springboard up. Or springboard down. Come on, baby. Move 5 points up. 5 points up. Come on. Give me 100. 21. I need 26. Maybe I'll move back up to this sell gap there. But it's only 23. Ooh. All right. Not looking too good for the home team here. Just move my stop up, take the hit. Come on, get on up there. Give me 50. Give me $50. $60. I'll tell you what, I'll take top of 23.50. Almost there. There we go. I'll take that. Push it. Now watch it springboard up. So now we got a sell gap within a buy gap. Don't you just love that? But nice little reversal candle here. Good potential on it. Again, if I had some confidence on this trade, if I would have taken it at 16, I would have had 3 points against me, and now I'm almost up 10 points. Wasn't a bad play. Another wasted day for me. Damn it. Go. Nice bullish play. See if we can take out this sell gap here. Okay, minute 30 left. Tried to stay above VWAP and the 1 minute waited. And I'll tell you what, if we get back above those guys, I probably would go long. If we stay below, then it might be a short. right at the 1 minute and right at VWAP. Yeah. What time is it? Lunchtime. There you go. Drop down below. 12 seconds. Not a very friendly bullish candle, if you ask me. Come on, get up there. Put a move on. Come on, buy it up. Buy them up. Filling in the 1 minute gap at 22. And then some. Come on, let's go. Kick it on up to 32. Nope. Maybe a suck back. Sucker fish. Don't trust it here. I mean, we are above VWAP. We are above the 1 minute weighted, just barely. We only got 24 seconds. True colors will show here in a minute. Is it going to be a red color or is it going to be a green one? 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, nothing. All right. Try one more time. I'm sitting here above VWAP. Not feeling real bullish. We're just holding above VWAP. That's the only thing in the 1 minute. I'm just looking for a push up real quick. Nope. All right, I'm done. I was just looking for like 10 points, 5 points, whatever I could get. Waste of time, Michael. You're right. Down. Lost 2 evals. 20 bucks, 40 bucks. That's not good. I'm going to try not to lose any the rest of the week. Well, tomorrow. I only got tomorrow. Huh? How's that? No. Try not to lose any more, period. And then go today. I didn't even trade my TakeProfitTrader account. So I'll try to sneak in a couple of points here later today or something when we get a little bit of movement. Or I can see a clear direction or something. But I'm tired of sitting here, so... Third day in a row, not so good. So we'll try it again tomorrow. Hopefully with non-farm payrolls, I'm sure we're going to get some movement. So it should be fun. And I'll finish the room off with Ending Soon and Mr. MRFIBS song. All right. Ciao, everybody. See you tomorrow.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams. Gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Second in the digital glow, markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show.